That was intense. He makes a count on first. That is our leader. He's stretching it out. Everybody else is in third. Tom's upside down on the concrete. Not the place to be. Collins in second with Andrew Gary right up his tail. James right there as well. 2, 3, 4. Up the wall ride. Birthday boy sneaking away.
After 1 minute, the top drivers are Brewster Baker in first place with a 21-lap 5:13.6 pace, followed by Colin Diedrich in second place with a 18-lap 5:04.8 pace, followed by Gary Crickler in third place with a 18-lap 5:12.2 pace, followed by Sir David in fourth place with a 17-lap 5:03.2
stretched
pace.
out in second place. Ray hangs on the third. It puts Dave and Tom battling out for fourth place. Down the front straightaway. Neck and neck over the double. Then here's Gary. Gary's everywhere. Oh, Gary takes a long turn. It's Reg under the jump. Gary goes extra high on the wall ride. He goes extra low on the wall ride. Looks cool. Coming up on 3 minutes to go. Tim is our leader. Colin in second. Tom and Gary battling
The
out
top
for third.
drivers are Brewster Baker in first place with a 21-lap 5:07.4
Tim's coming to
pace,
say hello.
followed by Colin Diedrich in second place with a 20-lap 5:11.8 pace, followed by Tom Sedd in third place with a 19-lap 5:15.1 pace, followed by Gary Crickler in fourth place with a 19-lap 5:16.6 pace.
Colin is still in the lead lap.
Hey, I'm not off it yet.
Halfway down, halfway to go. Colin did play nice. Colin is in second place truck. Gary's in third, going up. Up to the top, over the double.
After 3 minutes 1 second, the top drivers are Brewster Baker in first place with a 21-lap 5:10.6 pace, followed by Colin Diedrich in second place with a 20-lap 5:07.4 pace, followed by Gary Crickler in third place with a 19-lap 5:02.1 pace, followed by Tom Sedd in fourth place with a 18-lap 5:01.6 pace.
1:30 to go. Tim has a new hot lap of 13.8. Colin in second. Gary and Tom battling out for third. Super Slash, you guys are on deck. You are up next. Charge your batteries, get ready to rock and roll. Minute and 5 left in this race.
One minute left, after 4 minutes 1 second. The top drivers
Gary
are
and Tom
Brewster
still
Baker in
battling
first
out for the
place with a
third place.
21-lap 5:10.4
Over the
pace,
doubles now.
followed by Colin
Gary
Diedrich
gets
in
it wrong,
second
upside
place with
down.
a 20-lap
Lands on his wheels,
5:05
Tom says
pace,
goodbye.
followed by Gary Crickler in third place with a 19-lap 5:03.4 pace,
40
followed
seconds
by
still to
Tom
go.
Sedd in fourth place with a 19-lap 5:03.9 pace.
Seconds left. Gary's battling with Tom again. He's stuck in front of him. 15 seconds. Colin with a slow burn roll.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Inside, get on Gary. Here goes wide.
3,
Tom's got it.
2,
Oh.
1.
The doubles. Neck and neck. On the back steering.
Sir David
Tom
done.
gets it.
Tom said done.
Nice finish.
Derek Griffin done. Mr. Baker done.
Collins
Try to
still
do there,
running.
Cal.
Penalty,
Collins
penalty.
still running. Can you finish Collins, please?
Colin Dietrich
And
done.
Collins done. Good
All
shit.
drivers
Thank you
are
guys
finished.
for letting me win.